How to stop living in fear. Overcoming fear of people and guide to removing fear from the subconscious mind. What to expect in this video. 1. How to stop living in fear and anxiety. 2. How to overcome fear of people in 3 easy ways. 3. How to remove fear from subconscious mind. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification icon to be notified when we upload new videos. How to stop living in fear and anxiety. Living in fear is a really bad way of living. It makes life unenjoyable. If you battle with fear, you can live with more confidence by 1. Facing the fear when it comes. You can do this by telling yourself what makes you afraid and why. Accept you are afraid. 2. Putting yourself under control when the fear comes. Panic makes fear worse and makes you less thoughtful at the moment, which can lead you to making really terrible mistakes. 3. Staying in the present. Thinking too much about the future can bring fear. So enjoy your present, the future will take care of itself. 4. Exercising and eating healthy to have a healthy mind and body. When you have a healthy mind and body, you will be free from the fear and anxiety that is induced by hormonal imbalance. 5. Talking to a therapist if your fear gets out of hand. They may get you diagnosed if the condition is medical. 6. Controlling your thoughts. Remember, fear is a response to your thought process. If you train yourself to be more positive in your thoughts, your fear will be under control. This is a part you will have to do consciously every time fear knocks. 7. Worrying less. Worry worsens our fears because it keeps us occupied of what tomorrow will bring when today is not yet over. From now on, control yourself to live in the now and let tomorrow worry about itself. To put your worry under control, get yourself a to-do list book and ensure you document your plan in it. So instead of worrying what you are going to do next, just open the book and do one thing at a time. How to overcome the fear of people. Shyness and stage fright are all parts of fear of people. You can overcome them by 1. Fighting your thoughts. Thoughts that people are waiting for you to screw up so they laugh will come to your mind, but don't let them get you, they are not true. The thoughts are only there to stop you from being who you would have been. Don't let them win. 2. Stop being unrealistic, you won't fail, there's no one out there that is looking forward to your failure. Stop thinking of how bad things may get if you try, think of how good it will be when you get through it. 3. Oppose it with actions. Go all out against those thoughts of incapability with actions. It says you can't face people, prove it wrong by facing people more often. How to remove fear from subconscious mind. When fear is thought, it has the power of destroying a person in every aspect. It can cripple a person and make a mess out of his or her future. Removing fear from your subconscious mind has to be a conscious decision. Realizing fear as your greatest enemy is the best place to start fighting fear. Have it in mind that fear is only there to destroy you. When you do, you will gain the power to fight it. Consciously get yourself to see the opposite of fear when it strikes. Guard your thoughts diligently, replace every atom of fear with its opposite. Do something courageous every day, no matter how small. Build yourself against the deceit of fear, get yourself to believe only the things that are true. Remember to click the subscribe button for more motivational and natural health videos.